I was inspired to create this app after seeing how the Palisades wildfire in California devastated communities, and how many people aren't given enough time or information to react. That's why I wanted to make something that could help people stay ahead of disasters instead of being caught off guard. The goal of Firehawk is simple: to make a convenient, fast, and practical app powered by an AI model that gives lightning fast responses, even on mobile devices, so users can check when a natural disaster might happen, how strong it could be, and what areas might be affected. These are the following things I used to create this app. The top left is a sample of Mapbox, the bottom left is a sample of Spline, and the right is a sample of my AI's code. During development, I ran into several small bugs that were easy to fix, but one major issue stood out: the AI model's function calling. The app relies on the system to connect the prediction model with the user interface, and frequently it ceased to return a response with accurate data. To solve this, 3 versions of the function code were made, each one refining how the AI interacted with the data inputs and outputs, and after extensive testing, I was able to finally stabilize the responses and ensure that the predictions were generated correctly and quickly. Now, I'll be showcasing the demo. First, we'll greet the AI. This will bring us to the map, a tool useful for pinpointing locations. In the input box, we'll put in the test location. Let's try Los Angeles, California. Alright, the map has brought us to Los Angeles. Let's take a look around. As you can see, there are a few ways to move around. This includes panning, zooming, and rotating. Okay, let's go over the data given. We have some info on wildfire, flood, tornado, hurricane, and earthquake, each of which having a short description. Anyways, scrolling down, you can see that there's some more important stuff, such as hotspot, time frame, and impact. From the text at the bottom, the AI can recommend us some specific safety actions to take. Let's type in sure. This is a comprehensive guide on how to properly equip yourself for any scenario. For example, when readying yourself for an earthquake, you should secure your space, prepare an emergency kit, practice drop, cover, and hold, and participate in shakeouts. If you look in the wildfire section, there's a link to a credible source that may come in handy. Below, there is also flood, tornado, and hurricane. And at the bottom, there are some general resources. Alright, that's it for this presentation. See you in the next one.